Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, I'm going to solve you questions from class 10 NCERT CBSE board. Okay. Quadratic equations, chapter number 4. Okay, so now let's quickly see what is the concept. Then I'll solve you questions from exercise 4.1, the first question. A quadratic equation is a variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. For example, 2x squared plus x minus 300 equals 0 is a quadratic equation. So first thing what they have given us is, this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay, what is the standard form? Ax squared plus bx plus c is plus c equals 0. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So where a, b, c are all real numbers and a not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are all real numbers. For example, first example they've given us is 2x squared plus x minus 300 equals 0. So this is exactly matches with the standard equation. So just this is also a quadratic equation. They've given us 3 more examples. Let's see that one also. So the next example is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So does it matches with the standard one? Yes, see, exactly matches. So 2x squared plus 3x minus 3x plus 1. Yes, this is also a standard equation. What is the second example? The second example is 4x minus 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 0. Does this one matches with the standard one? Yes, it does also matches, but then they have just rearranged them. The terms are interchanged. Okay, now let's put this in the standard form. So first we will have x squared term. So minus 3x squared. Then we'll have x term. So plus 4x. Then we'll have the constant one. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So now if you see, it has actually matches with the standard one. So this is also a quadratic equation. Now next one. What is the last example? One more example is that 1 minus x squared plus 300 is equal to 0. So in this case also, the terms are jumbled. Okay, so we can actually rearrange them. So let's put the x square term first. Okay, plus if you notice there is no x term here. Now we will combine the constant term. So there's plus 1 and plus 300. So that will become 301 is equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation. This matches with the standard form. So x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So there is an x square term. There is no bx, that doesn't matter. There is a constant term. Okay. So here the concept is actually you should have an x square term. It doesn't matter if you have x term or if you have a constant term. So that actually doesn't matter at all. So let's see in the paragraph 2. In fact, any equation of the form p of x, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2. So it's a quadratic equation. So basically you should see the highest power of the variable or the highest exponent of the given equation. Okay. The highest exponent or the highest power of the variable in the given equation should be 2. Then it forms under the standard, then it forms the quadratic equation. Fine. And one more thing also. So in the first one, they have given us a not equal to 0, right? Now imagine what will happen if a is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, so anything multiplied by 0 will become, see, this is a standard form. So x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is not equal to 0. Now let's see what will happen if a is equal to 0. So 0 into x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what will happen now? So 0 into x squared becomes 0. So 0 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now if you notice, there is no x squared term at all. There is only x. The highest power of the given equation has reduced to 1 now. So this will form under linear equations and not quadratic equations. So that's the reason why specifically they have given you in the definition that a should not be equal to 0. So what is the concept here? For a quadratic equation, for an equation to qualify as a quadratic one, the highest power or the highest degree of the given equation, that is the of the variable in the given equation, should be 2. Okay. Now let's get started with the first one. So what is the first question? The first question is check whether the following are quadratic equations. So they have given us literally 8 equations and we'll have to check them if each of them will fall under quadratic equations. So now the first question is, what is the first equation? The first equation is x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 times of x minus 3. Okay, now this is the first equation. So let's start with the first question. So first question is x plus 1 the whole square equals 2 times x minus 3. So the first thing will be to remove the x square now. So what this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So what is the formula? A plus b the whole square will be a square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, here a is x and b will be 1. So this will be x square. Okay, so plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x. Now what is there in the right side? That will be 2 times of x minus 3. Okay. Now next one. Now this is x square. So 1 square will be 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 into x will be 2x. So 2x is equal to, now do distributive property now. So 2 into x, then minus 2 into negative 3. Okay, fine. So that will be 2x. Then have the minus sign. Then 2 into 3 will be 6. Okay. Now we will combine everything to one side. So now x square plus 1 plus 2x. Bring the 2x to the other side. So minus 2x. Then again plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this one. So plus 2x and minus 2x, we can actually cancel them out. So like this. Okay. Then now combine the constant term. So now x square 1 plus 6 will become 7. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this cannot be simplified further. Now let's check with the standard form. So standard form will be x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you have x square. Yeah, we have x square term. Bx is missing. Okay. But then constant is 7. So what is the criteria for a quadratic equation? The highest degree of the variable should be 2. So what is the highest degree of this variable? The variable here is x and the highest degree is depth is 2. So which means this will qualify under quadratic equation. Okay. Now next question. So question number 2. Question number 2 will be x square minus 2x equals negative 2 into 3 minus x. Okay. Now x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. Okay. Minus 2 into minus x will be plus 2x. Let's bring everything to left side. So minus 2x, then plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. So now x square minus 2x and minus 2x will become minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now ax square plus bx plus c, this is a perfect one. Okay. What's the highest power of the variable here is 2. So this also qualifies under quadratic equation. Now the question number 3. What is question number 3? So question number 3 will be x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals x minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay, now this is all in the product form. So let's remove the bracket now. So what we will do is x into x plus 1. Okay, then again minus 2 into x plus 1. Do the same thing here also. So first x into, so we'll multiply first x into the two terms which is there within the brackets. Again minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay. Now x into x will become x square. So again x into plus 1 will become x. Minus 2 into x will become minus 2x. Then minus 2 into 1 will become minus 2, which is equal to x into x will become x square. X into 3 will become 3x. Minus 1 into x will become minus x. Then minus 1 into 3 will become minus 3. Now again combine the like terms. So x square plus x minus 2x will become minus x. Minus 2 is equal to x square. 3x minus x would become plus 2x minus 3. Now bring everything to this side. So x square minus x minus 2, then minus x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see if anything is getting cancelled now. So x square plus x square minus x square is getting cancelled. Okay. Then again minus x and minus 2x will become minus 3x. Minus 2 and plus 3 will become plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, does it matches with the standard form? Okay. If you notice, there is no x square term at all here. There is a x term here and there is a constant term also. Okay. But then there is no x square term. So according to the concept, you should have the highest power of the variable should be 2. Here, the highest power of the variable is actually 1. So this is a linear equation and not a quadratic one. So this one does not qualify under a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 4. What is question number 4? So question number 4 is x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Now this is the fourth question. So same thing, you will do the distributive property. So x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Okay. Now next thing. So x into 2x will become 2x square. X into 1 will become x. Minus 3 into 2x will become minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1 will become minus 3, which is equal to, again, do distributive property. X into x will become x square. X into 5 will become 5x. Okay. Now let's bring all the terms to one side. So now this will become 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. Then minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Now let's simplify. So 2x square and x square will become, minus x square will become x square. What are the x terms here? So 1x minus 6x, that will become minus 5x. There is another minus 5x here, so which will become minus 10x. Okay. What about the constant term? There is just 3. There is no constant term. So 3 is equal to 0. Again, I'll explain. So 2x square minus 2x square minus x square will become x square. So that's how we got the first term. And what about the x? There is x minus 6x and minus 5x. So let's simplify. So x minus 6x will become minus 5x. Again, there is one more 5x minus 5x. So if you add them together, it will become minus 10x. So that's how we got minus 10x here. Then minus 3 is equal to 0. There is no constant term, only 3 is there. Now let's see if this is a quadratic equation. Okay, now let's see if this is a quadratic equation. Now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yeah, there is an x square term, then there is a bx, there is c also. Then what is the highest power of this equation is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, next question. Okay, now next question. So question number 5. What is question number 5? So again, question number 5 is given in the product form. So let's see what is question number 5. So question number 5 is given in the product form. So what is this one? 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Okay. Now again, do the distributive property. That is first 2x into x minus 3. Then again, minus 1 into x minus 3. Do the same thing for the other side also. So x into x minus 1. Then plus 5 into x minus 1. Now let's remove the brackets. So 2x into x will become 2x square. Minus 2x into 3 will become minus 6x. Then again minus x. Then plus 3. Okay. Do the same thing here also. X into x will become x square. X into minus 1 will become minus x. 5 into x, so it will become plus 5x. 5 into negative 1 will become negative 5. Okay, now let's combine everything now. So this is 2x square minus 6x minus x will become minus 7x. Plus 3 is equal to, so x square minus x and plus 5x will become plus 4x minus 5. Bring everything to one side. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3, then minus x square minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. This is 6. Okay. So 2x square and x square will become 2x square minus x square will become just x square. Minus 7x minus 4x will become minus 11x. Plus 3 minus 5 will become minus 2. No, this will become plus 5. So this is minus 5. When I bring it to this side, this will become plus 5. So 5 plus 3 will become 8. Four x minus 5. Okay. When I bring the minus 5 to the other side, this will become plus 5. Now 3 plus 5 will become 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see, compare this one to this one. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yeah, see what is the highest power of this variable? So the highest power of the variable is 2. So this is also a quadratic equation. Next one, question 6. What is question 6? Question 6 is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So left side is not complicated. So x square plus 3x plus 1. What's been the right side? This is a minus b the whole square format. So what is a minus b the whole square? So that will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is actually x and b is actually 2. So apply same thing. So now this will become x square plus 2 square minus 2 into what is a is x here and b will be 2. Okay. Now x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square, 2 square will be 4 minus 2 into will be 4 into x will be 4x. So minus 4x. Okay, now let's bring everything to one side. Now x square plus 3x plus 1, then minus x square minus 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. Let's simplify now. So there is plus x square minus x square can cancel them. Then 3x and plus 4x. So that will become 7x now. So 7x, what about the constant? So 1 and there is a negative 4. So which is nothing but negative 3. So negative 3 is equal to 0. Now will this fall under quadratic equation? So x square plus b plus c is equal to 0. There is x term, there is a constant term, but then if you notice, there is no x square term. So which meaning is the highest power of the given variable is actually 1 and it's not 2. So which means this does not qualify under quadratic equation. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. So what is question number 7? X plus 2, the whole cube, is equal to 2 x plus 2 the whole cube into 2x into x square minus 1. Okay. Now in the LHS side, it is nothing but a plus b the whole cube. Now what is the formula plus a for a plus b the whole cube? So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b, okay, plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here a will be x and b will be 2. So now let's put it in the formula now. So that will be x cube plus 3 into what is a square? A will be x square, b will be 2 plus again 3 into a will be x, b square will be 2 square, which is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now let's simplify this one. So x cube plus, now this is everything in product form. So 3 into 2 will be 6. So that will become 6x square. Again 3 into, this is 2 square will be 4. So 3 into 4 will be 12. So 12x plus 12x, okay, which is equal to, let's remove the bracket for this one also. So 2x cube. So 2x into x square will become 2x cube minus 2x. That is 2x into 1. Okay. Now next thing. Okay, I didn't write, it could be b cube here. Wait. See, a cube is done. 3a square b is done. 3a b square is also done. What about b cube? So b cube is nothing but 2 cube. Okay, which is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So now this will become x cube plus 3 into 2 will become 6. So 6x square plus 2 to the power 2 will be 4. So 4 into 3 will be 12. So 12x plus what is 2 cube? That is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Is equal to, now remove the bracket again. So that will become 2x cube minus 2x. So now let's simplify. We'll bring everything to one side now. So x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8, then minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Let's see if we can cancel anything. So there is x cube and minus 2x cube. So that if you simplify, that will become minus x cube. Then x square will have just one term. So 6x square. What about x term? So 12x and plus 2x. That will become 14x. Then plus 8 is equal to 0. No, I don't think so. We can simplify this further. No. Okay. Now if you notice, what is the highest power of this equation? The highest power, if you notice, is not 2, but then it is 3. So then what is the standard form? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The highest power should be 2 and not 3. So this does not qualify under quadratic equation. Clear? Easy? Okay, fine. Okay, now next one, question number 8. We come to last question. What is the last question? Question is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, which is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. Okay, now this is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. Earlier we saw a plus b. Now this is actually a minus b. So what is the formula? A minus b the whole cube will be, a minus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b. Okay, then plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, here a will be x, b will be 2. Okay, now let's rewrite again. So this is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, now you have to apply the formula for this one. So a cube will be x cube minus 3 into what is a square? A square will be x square, b will be 2. Again plus 3 into a will be x and b square will be 2 square. Minus what is b cube? That is b here will be 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 8. Okay. Now let's simplify this one. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube. So 3 into 2 will be 6. So minus 6x square. And this one again 3 into 4 will be 12 plus 12x minus 8. Now bring everything to one side. So now this will be x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 6x square, then minus 12x, then plus 8 is equal to 0. See if we can cancel anything. So there is plus x cube and minus x cube, which can we cancel? Now let's combine the like terms now. This is minus 4x square, then plus 6x square. So it is nothing but plus 2x square. So plus 2x square. Now what about x now? So minus 2x, minus x and minus 12x, that will become minus 13x. Constant term, so 1 plus 8 will become 9. So this is the final one. We cannot simplify this further. So this one, if you notice, the highest power of this equation is actually, the variable is actually 2. So this is performed under quadratic equation. So its hope is easy and clear for you. I've solved all the 8 questions. If you find this video really useful for you, please subscribe to our math channel. Meet you in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.